Hello and welcome. This is Cool IT Help. I hope you guys doing well. This is TestNG tutorial for beginners. I have divided this tutorial in 3 parts. In the first part, we will understand what is TestNG. Then we will see some important benefits of using TestNG. After that, we will see installation and setup inside the Eclipse. In the part 2 of this tutorial, we will see how to set up TestNG project in Eclipse. After that, we will create a new TestNG test file and then we will do some coding. After that, in the third part of this tutorial, we will do running of that test file or a test case. Then we will see how to generate HTML reports. So I will cover all these stuff in these tutorial sessions. So guys, let's get started with the part 1 of this tutorial. Now as you can see on my screen, I have written these basic information which is essential before starting to learn TestNG. The first question is, what is TestNG? So guys, you can answer. TestNG basically an automation testing framework where NG stands for next generation. Basically TestNG is inspired by JUnit and it has more benefits over JUnit. Let's understand about few important benefits of using TestNG. With the help of TestNG, you can generate proper report, or you can easily come to know how many test cases are passed, failed or skipped. Also you have one more benefit. You can execute only failed test cases separately. You don't need to run all the test cases. Now guys, we will see the installation and setup inside the Eclipse. So first we will install and set up. After that we will do some verification. So guys, please open your Eclipse and now go to help and then click here on the install new software option, and then this window will appear. Now you can see here in this box, work with. You have to type this URL and this URL given in the description box. So guys, just copy that URL, paste it here, just add it and give a name. So I have already given a name and this is already added here in this drop down. So just select this one. Once you select this, you will see some results right here. And this node will appear which has 3 child elements: TestNG, TestNG M2E and another one important component. So just select the parent one and click here on the next. So you will see the installation will start immediately, and this will take maximum 5 minutes if you have a normal internet speed. And after that you will see these 3 components. Click on the next, then you will see this license agreement page. Just accept it and click OK, and then you will see the installation, and you can notice the installation message at the bottom of this Eclipse on the right hand side. Once this completes, this will show you the restart message. So click on the restart now, and now your Eclipse will be restarted. And very soon your Eclipse will be loaded. Now it's time for the verification. We have installed the TestNG, but we want to make sure everything went well or not. So guys, we will do second step. This is verification. For that we have to visit the menu item windows, and then we have to go here, the fourth option, show view, and here we have to look for the Java. If not appearing, click on the other option, and this small window will appear which has a tree options. Just search for the Java, expand that tree, and you will see many items are here. So you have to check TestNG must be there. If TestNG is found, that means TestNG installation is successful. So guys, we have installed TestNG in Eclipse successfully. Now we will see rest of the things in the second part of this video tutorial. I hope you guys found this video tutorial relevant and useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And guys, for now, thanks for watching Cool IT Help.